Eureka Forbes presents the king of all vacuum cleaners. A complete cleaning solution for wet and dry dirt. Built with high-performance features, this premium stainless steel vacuum cleaner is known for its durability and strength. This vacuum cleaner has smart ergonomics that makes cleaning a whole lot easier. Presenting the Eureka Forbes Wet and Dry NXT.
Power the device on by inserting the plug into an electrical outlet and put it on.
It comes with purpose-built accessories that can be attached for easy handling and comprehensive cleaning. And that means no more infected spaces or dust mites. The flexible hose pipe can be attached to the suction or the blower end depending on the requirement. It also comes with an extension tube for even greater maneuverability. The floor-cum-carpet brush can be used for cleaning carpets and floors. While the wet Sqeeze brush not only mops and cleans wet spillage, but also dries wet surfaces. The Crevice nozzle can help remove dust from hard-to-reach places, like sofa corners, window panes, and floor corners. It can also be used at the blower end to dislodge dust from inaccessible areas. The upholstery brush can be used to clean mattresses, cushions, and curtains. Do add the dust filter before using the dry feature. To use the wet feature, remove the dust filter, then replace the HEPA filter with the sponge filter. The vacuum cleaner has a large storage tank of 12 liters for dry dust and water spills. Once you're done with vacuuming, it's time to empty the storage. Remove the filter frame and the waste automatically slides into the bin. It comes with onboard accessory holders for ease of use and has large rear wheels for better mobility. With the new Eureka Forbes Wet and Dry NXT, you've got dynamic suction on hand to disinfect your home and wage war on dust mites. So grab your wet and dry today. Eureka Forbes, your friend for life.